Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your mouse pointer on a Windows PC, whether you are looking to make your cursor more visible or just want to add a bit of personal flair. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and search for mouse pointer. After searching down, you can see the first link, open it. After coming here, click on the cursor option. Select your desired cursor like I am selecting this and click on download. As you can see, our custom pointer is already downloaded. Let's open it from here. Click on open. After opening it, extract it using WinRAR. Now let's open the folder. Here you can see many custom pointer for our computer. Now let's dive into the settings. Here navigate the Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and you can see the mouse option. Click on it. Here you can see additional mouse setting. Click on it. After coming here, click on the second option named pointers and click on browse. Select your downloaded destination like I have desktop, downloads, compressed. Select the desired cursor you want to change like I'm selecting the first red one. Click on open and click on apply. You can see that our cursor has changed. And that's it, you have successfully customized your mouse pointer. Now your desktop looks like the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video.